Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have been wondering whether you can transfer your Capital One miles to Delta Airlines in 2025, this video is exactly what you need. Let's get straight to the point. Capital One offers several travel rewards cards. Every time you make purchases with an eligible Capital One card, you earn miles that can be redeemed in different ways, like flights, hotels, and more. Now, a lot of people have been asking, can I transfer these miles directly to Delta Airlines? Unfortunately, the answer is no. As of 2025, Delta is not one of the Capital One's official airline transfer partners. This means you won't see Delta listed in the transfer options on the Capital One app or website. So, what you do instead? You have two main options. One, you can transfer your miles to one of the many other airline partners available in the Capital One travel portal, like Air Canada, Singapore Airlines, or British Airways. Two, you can use the Capital One travel portal directly to search and book flights, include some Delta flights. While it's not a direct transfer, you can still redeem your times or miles for Delta flights this way. So to be clear, you cannot transfer Capital One miles directly to a Delta SkyMiles account, but you can still use your miles to book Delta flights through Capital One's travel search. I hope this cleared things up for you. If it did, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more quick, no nonsense guides just like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.